Welcome to DJ TV.
E don set o, Sanwo Olu don dey face disqualification gbege o unto forgery.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una to DJ TV, una WhatsApp channel wey dey sama una with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So abeg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbanga. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates we will carry come for una like this.
Sanwo Olu wey be Lagos State Governor don enter one chance o unto the mago result and certificate wey e dey use o. The matter don enter Lagos State Election Petition Tribunal sef, my people, no be small thing o. If una recall, after the election, the opposition party dem carry am enter court to say the election no go free and fair the way e suppose go, and then dem come bring out different petitions. So the PDP presidential governorship candidate dey call Jandor, im come bring out some petitions against am wey be say this result forgery so e dey inside. Anyway my people, I go leave una now, make una watch this video and hear the summary of the whole matter.
The same way Tinubu is facing disqualification for forgery of certificate and lying under oath in his INEC form, it's the same way his protege and governor of Lagos State, Sanwo Olu, is facing disqualification for submitting a non-existent WAEC result to INEC. Sanwo Olu's problem started when the PDP governorship candidate in Lagos, Jandor, made a search on WAEC's website to find out if his result, the result that Sanwo Olu submitted to INEC, really exists. The search came back negative. This was around April when he wanted to submit his petition to the Lagos State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal. This made Jandor to suspect a foul play. He wondered what was going on. Did Sanwo Olu submit a fake result to INEC? Why can't his result be found on INEC website? Perplexed by what was going on, Jandor went on to subpoena WAEC to come to court and explain what was going on, to bring the certified true copy of Sanwo Olu's result. At this point, everyone was expecting WAEC to explain what happened, but they were surprised when the WAEC representative came to court barehanded and claimed that Sanwo Olu's result now miraculously exists on their website. This is an interesting turn of events. What really happened? How come Sanwo Olu's WAEC results now exist on WAEC's website? Who uploaded it? What is going on? Is someone making a cover-up? Anyway, the court wasn't satisfied with the presentation made by the WAEC representative, and in order to find out what really happened, in order to dig deeper, the court ordered WAEC to go and produce certified true copy of their back-end servers, so that the court can determine the actual date it was uploaded and why and by who.
There are other ones, I didn't speak about the certification, which were verified to say that he lied on it.
Yes, this is the right way to go because someone is making a cover-up for Sanwo Olu. If his result wasn't in existence on WAEC servers around April and suddenly appeared, that means someone is making a cover-up, someone uploaded it to cover up for him. They should dig deeper to find out what really happened, even including going to the school where he sat for the exams in 1981. Why should people with questionable background and character always be at the helm of affairs in Nigeria? No one is a saint, but at least people who aim to lead others, people who aspire to be governors or presidents in the future, should always be people who have impeccable character, not people who have problems with the law or have gone to prison in the past. It should be people whose character are worthy of emulation. Why should the worst of us always be leading us? What happened to others that are better than them? Anyway, this isn't the only problems that Sanwo Olu is facing at the Governorship Election Petition Tribunal in Lagos. A witness called by Badebo Rosevivor of the Labour Party accused Sanwo Olu of voting during the governorship election in Lagos despite not having a PVC. The certified true copy of voters register from INEC that they tendered in court shows invalid written against Sanwo Olu's name. So how come Sanwo Olu was able to vote when the records show that he doesn't have a PVC? Even people who were issued temporary voters cards were denied from voting on election day. So how come Sanwo Olu and his wife were able to vote without PVC? So definitely Sanwo Olu has a lot of explanation to do here, including INEC. Now, let's see another problem that Sanwo Olu is facing, which might lead to their disqualification. It's a joint ticket anyway. Another witness from the United States testified that his deputy, Hamzat, who is a citizen of the United States, that he swore an oath of allegiance to the United States, which is contrary to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The Constitution is against someone who willfully took up a nationality of another country. No one can decide where he will be born. It's completely out of his help. So if someone is born in another country and he ends up having the citizenship, there's no problem with the law. But if someone willfully applies and takes up the citizenship of another country, just like Tinubu did and Hamzat did in this case, then it is a ground for disqualification. The problem here is that Hamzat took up willfully by his own volition the United States citizenship. He should not be near any executive position in Nigeria. That's the law. Because one cannot determine his allegiance. Is it the country of his birth or the United States? If he was born in the United States, he can't help himself. It's a fact. The citizenship becomes automatic. But he himself willfully applied for the United States citizenship and was granted the same citizenship after swearing an oath of allegiance. So this is the problem here. He cannot be in an executive position in Nigeria, whether governorship, whether presidential, or even a local government chairman. He cannot be in an executive position because of the oath of allegiance he has sworn to another country. So it will be interesting to know how the tribunal judges at the Lagos State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal will decide all these cases of Sanwo Olu and his deputy.
Hey my people, don't be small thing though. Now see wetin dey happen though. Una hear as this analysis dey analyze this whole matter, the summary of Sanwo Olu case with the opposition party dem. PDP dey drag and go this side unto certificate levels. Labour Party dey drag and go the other side unto you no get voters card. Una hear as dey analyze this whole matter. Anyway, people make una drop una comment for the comment section and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video. DJ